Hi everyone, just making this video to say how crap this video camera is. So JVC Everio GZMG36EK, absolute crap. Just recording this on my stills camera, it's infinitely better. Records in this .mod format, which is effectively useless if you want to use Windows Movie Maker, because when you go to import it, it just crashes. Basically, this is a load of crap. There's no way I want to go through dozens and dozens of conversions just to make a video. Just don't bother buying it. Unless you have something that can play MPEG video format. Just don't bother. It doesn't even have a viewfinder. The only thing that's good about it is it's got a hard drive. There's no point in having a hard drive if you can't actually view the videos. It comes with this crappy video software called Power Director, but the version it comes with can't even slow down and speed up videos. It's so terrible. Comes in this thing. Looks pretty unprofessional and rubbish. Looks like it's designed for some child. This comes with version 3. But apparently it's version 8 that gives you all the good things. Bloody fed up. I've got loads of videos on this thing, but I can't use them unless I go through loads of converters. Bye.